Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the graphics settings and frame rate in COD Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard of COD Mobile, tap the settings icon from the top right of the screen. In Settings, tap Audio and Graphics from the left menu. Here you can adjust the graphic quality and frame rate settings. It's not possible to have both graphics and frame rate maxed out. You have to choose to prioritize one or the other. You can also change the BR mode graphic style here. Your changes will take effect next time you enter a match. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more COD Mobile tips and tricks.